everyone. Today I'll show you this bag. I have this bag made for my friend and I use a leather base and macrame yarn. I used one skein for this part, two whole skeins for this, so we have 3, 4 for these blacks, and 5th here this color, and 6th yarn for the handles. In the next video I will show you how to make the handles. I use these catchers. It's 28 centimeters here and the width is 38, sorry. I haven't sewed linen inside yet, and I decorated it with this writing handmade. I hope you will enjoy with me how to make it. Let's begin. For this bag I will need leather base, crochet hook number 3, and my yarn is here. I will use this one. It's macrame yarn, it's polyester, and 130 meters. I made slip knot and I pull through from here my loop, and then I'll begin to make chains. Chains all around. I'm at the end of the row. I have cut my yarn, the last one, chain, pull through the tail. I'll use needle here, inside from here, down, and then from here and now we'll make knots. I'll pull through my tail from here and make knots here, and then from one side of the chain I pull my hook, yarn over and pull through, make one chain and 2 single crochet here, 2 single crochet at the next one, two single crochet, and here we will make 3 single crochets at the corners. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now until the corner we will make 2 single crochet in each chain here, and all the corners, this and this will be with 3 single crochets. This at the corners. I have finished my row here. Now we will join our row. We'll make slip stitch here, one chain, single crochet here at the very first stitch, and we will make only single crochet all around. I finished the second row. I'll make slip stitch, one chain and single crochet in the first one, and we'll continue making single crochet except the corners. We'll make twice 2 single crochet at the corners. I'll make this and the next one, 1 and 2 single crochet at the next 2 single crochet also, and we will continue all around. Here you can see I'm seeing the crocheted yarn here, but here at the corner it's facing just about, so I'll make increases here to be more stable, more beautiful. I'll join my row, and now we will begin our 4th row. We'll make single crochet at the back loop here, not from here. We have 1, 2 at the second, the back loop, single crochet at the back loop all around. Now I'll join my row with slip stitch, one chain, single crochet at the first one, and then I'll make the basket stitch or canestro. I'm not taking yarn from here, from the previous row, and single crochet, single crochet at the next one, and long single crochet from the previous row, single crochet to the next, single crochet from the previous row, not here but here. We will work with this way all around. I'll crochet about 3 centimeters more with this texture, and then I'll change my color. The first color change that I made was here. You see, it's nearly seamless. I took stitch marker in every row, and I'll show you now how we will do it. My crochet, long single crochet, yeah, I'm changing the color from both of them. Now we made regular single crochet, then long single crochet, and I'll put my stitch marker here. I'm hiding my tail also. And we will continue our work. I have made the color change for the last time here. And now for 2, 3 or 5 rows, how much you want, I'll make single crochet only. Here we'll continue with single crochet for 3 to 5 rows, and our bag is ready. I have finished my work. I am at the last stitch. I'll remove my stitch marker, make a slip stitch, yarn over from here and pull through, and now we'll hide our tail. Our bag is 38 centimeters to 28. I have crocheted handles here. They are 50 centimeters, 2 of them, and I'll put this one here, and then I'll screw here, and our bag almost done. We'll use it like this.